I recently ordered this, that's a lot of crinkling. I recently ordered this duvet cover set from IKEA. It is 100% cotton fabric and it's this nice light green color with a subtle stripe that I really like. And I'm planning on making a couple of sewing projects out of the fabric. I've heard that getting a duvet cover can be a really cheap way of getting a lot of fabric, and in this case, this is a twin size duvet. It was $20, and the amount of fabric inside it works out to being about 4 meters of fabric. So it's $5 per meter, plus it comes with a pillowcase, which is a little bit of extra fabric to work with. I'm thinking that I'm probably going to make a button-down shirt and a dress, depending on whether or not I have enough fabric to make both of those things. So I'm going to run it through the wash and see what the fabric feels like, and then decide on what I'm most drawn to making with this fabric.
So the fabric is actually softer and lighter weight than I was expecting, which is perfect for what I want to do with it. I decided to start by making myself another Ella Harp work dress. The link to the pattern and to Ella's tutorial for how to make this dress are both in the description of this video. I'll also take you through the process as I make this one. First, I sew the back body pieces together using a flat felt seam. I'm using Ella's technique of letting one piece overhang the other so that you don't have to trim away any fabric to complete the flat fell. Just fold the longer piece over the other and then top stitch it down. Next, I sewed 2 rows of gathering stitches at the top of the skirt pieces using the longest stitch setting on my machine, which is 4.5. I then hold on to the back thread from each of the rows of stitches and gather the fabric until it is approximately the same width as the body. Then I pin the skirt to the body, leaving some overhanging fabric, and sew it in place between the 2 rows of gathering stitches. I fold the excess fabric over twice and sew it down to cover the raw edge. Then I top stitch from the right side of the garment so that the sealed edge lays flat. After repeating this process for the back of the dress, I pin together and attach the shoulders using flat felt seams. I added bias binding to the neckline before moving on to the sleeves, which I attach using flat felt seams. Then I hem the top edges of the pockets and add them to the dress with 2 rows of top stitching. I sew the sides from the base of the skirt to the end of the sleeves using French seams. Then I hem the bottom edge and the sleeves and sew a couple of tie straps to attach at the sides of the dress. And my Ella Harp work dress is finished. So what does it look like? I am so happy with the way this dress turned out. I think the fabric works beautifully with the pattern, and I know this is something that I'm going to be wearing a lot. It is the most comfortable, easy to wear, everyday dress. I definitely have plenty of fabric left to make the button-down shirt I was planning. So stay tuned and click the subscribe button if you want to see how that project turns out.